Greetings, doctors. This is probably the first video we should watch in terms of getting acquainted and getting comfortable using 3D tools. At other videos, I'll go through each of these buttons and we'll do some exercises. But the first thing I want to show is that in order to make this a comfortable process and productive process, I'll show you the first tool that we need to learn, which is the export. So if we hover over to the tools button and scroll down to the export option, there is an export sample case. So we can, this is button, the export button, this is where we can share the treatment plan, and I'll go over those other options later on. But right now I just want to work on the sample case. The reason for that is this will enable us to export a case and play with all the 3D tools as if it was a live case without being necessarily logged into the Invisalign Doctor site, also known as IDS. So this will allow you to play and explore all the features of the 3D tools. So I'm going to go ahead and hit here sample case, and I'm using obviously a PC, and you can name the case whatever you choose. So I'm just gonna put my name here, and I think I already have one saved with my name, but I'm saving that to the desktop, and I'm just gonna say save. So that's a very small file. The file, the extension of the file is also known as an ADF file. So in some groups you'll see, hey, please send me your ADF file, and that's how you can export the ADF file. As a matter of fact, in our closed group, if you want to upload a ClinCheck for other members to see, that's how you would do it. So I'm going to go to our desktop now, and I should have, it's a little bit of a mess, but here is my ADF file. So what you'll see is that I can double click that Andre file, and essentially it will open a new version of that file, a duplicate of that file. You'll see on the tab here that it says Andre number 1, but what's really good about this is the create modification button is now enabled. So we can create a modification, which is really not modifying anything in your Invisalign Doctor site. This is just for you to play with the tools and maybe explore what the options are before you actually submit and start doing it on the actual live file connected to the IDS. But later on I'll go through all the options, but just to give you an example, we can come here to the attachments, and let's say, well, I want to make this attachment larger, or I want to angle this attachment a certain way, but it will allow you to just really play with all these tools here. So if you want to change the angle and what have you, or remove attachments, and so here the point being, it is an opportunity for us to really just get familiar and comfortable with 3D tools. So give it a try. Again, it's tools, export, sample case, and I'll be recording another video shortly.